Hey guys, how you doing? Today we're going to talk about low tire pressure. Imagine you wake up, come out to your car. Let's just say it's a sunny day, a cold day, doesn't matter. Now the first thing I want to tell you, temperature does affect the tire pressure. So if it's hot outside, the tires can be overinflated. If it's cold outside, the tires can be underinflated. But imagine you wake up, come out to your car or your truck. And for me, this is my work truck, so I periodically check the air, the air pressure in the tires. But you get in your vehicle. Let's say we get in. I get in my truck. And I turn my key, and you see that little light to the corner? That is your low tire pressure light. If that light comes on, you may have a problem with one tire or all tires. Fortunately for me, I keep my trusty little tool, my little tire pressure gauge. Everybody doesn't have one of these. Most people go to the store, they go to the local, repair shop, and they tell them to check my tire pressure. Typically, you get that done in an oil change. But what you should do, get out, look in the door right here. There's a little placard in the door that kind of tells you exactly what the pressure should be. Now, if you're like me, mechanically inclined, you look at the placard, mine say 35 psi. What that means is 35 pounds of pressure in each tire. So what I do, I go to one of my tires, as so, and follow me down. Unhook, twist the little cap, and what I do, I just put this in and I check the pressure. Typically, it's supposed to be 35 pounds all the way around. As you check your tire pressure all the way around, always make sure that no tire is low. Let me cut this out. If there is a tire that is low, chances are you either got a nail or it could just be weather sometime. But if it's extremely low, I can tell you now, chances are it's going to be something wrong with it. It could be leaking around the bead, around the rim, nail in the tire, puncture. So it just depends. If it's 1 or 2 pounds, 3 pounds, that's not so bad. If it's 10, 15 pounds, that may be a problem. So my suggestion to you is, if you're mechanically inclined, you can always, some people say, should I drive it? If it's not that bad and the store is close, you can go and get your air pressure checked close. If it's lower, you may want to, if you got any type of inflation device at home, you may want to try to inflate the tires at the house. Remember, I keep one of these little things to check my tire pressure. And most tires lose 2 to 3 pounds of pressure a month. So I typically check my tires. I check mine about every 2 weeks, realistically. Because with my truck, it's my work truck. I'm towing, I'm moving things. We out selling tires, visiting customers. So we here at Dent Tires, we're always trying to think about safety. And, what I realized, a lot of people are always hitting us up saying, Rike, can you tell us about this? And, because we'll sell you the tire, but we also want to tell you how to maintain the tire. And we want to tell you if something's going wrong. So that's what these videos are for. A little bit more informative, just to kind of give you a little, added bonus to the buying process. So, safety, maintenance, protecting your investment, that's kind of what we're about. Until next time, remember, this is Dent Tire, Team Dent. Tune in. Thank you. Bye. And we're out.